Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty God. Right now I am in our village. Look at this. This is our village. Oh, this is really amazing village. Right now I am getting wet in the rain. Look at this. It's raining. Cats and dog around of me. There are so many tree here. Look at this. I cannot see anything properly. It's raining heavily. That's why I cannot see anything properly. Over here, look at this. This is a temple. Look at this. And left side of the me, look at this. There are so many farmer are working in the rain. Look at this. And over here, look at this. There are so many okra field here. And in front of the me, look at this. There is a lemon tree. Look at this. And some jungle here. Look at this. There are so many jungle here. In the jungle, there are so many flower, and there are so many banana tree. Look at this. In the rainy season I feel so happy. Oh, this really amazing view. Look at this. There are so many flower blooming. Look at this. Today no more. Keep watching and keep enjoying. Tata, bye bye.